Hi everybody, thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing new pieces that I just got in from Skims, one of my favorite websites ever, and the fact that I'm partnering with them for today's video is honestly a dream come true because, as I mentioned, they're one of my favorite brands, but also my most worn brands. Their stuff and their fabrics are just like no other, like butter on your skin. So if you guys want to see what I picked up, then please keep watching. So one of my favorite lines for Skims is the cotton jersey fabric. It's super soft and like crazy stretchy. So whenever you're applying it, if you had just done your hair or your makeup, you don't have to worry about ruining your face, which is something that I actually deal with a lot. So in that same cotton jersey fabric, I have this gray bra. I lived in these during my pregnancy. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love a good push-up bra. It was always my go-to for bras, but once I got pregnant, I couldn't even look at a bra with underwire. So that's when I first started wearing the Skims bras. They're just so comfortable, and for me, comfort was key. So I have this bra in literally every single color. I needed it in gray, of course. And I also picked up these cute little shorts. So something like this I would wear with like a big comfy robe or sweater and just lounge around the house in. So this next soft lounge dress is probably one of my favorites, and I feel like I'm gonna probably say that about a lot of items. But I absolutely love this. And originally I got this because I was like, I want to start looking cute when I go to bed. Not that I have anyone to look cute for, but I just feel like some days, you know, you just want to wear something cute to bed. So when this first came out, I got it in black and I had to get it in gray as well. I love how it fits the body, and you can also wear this out. It's not just for lounging around the house. Like, I would definitely wear this out with a pair of sneakers. So this I actually also had in my collection. It's not a new purchase, but I wanted to show it to you because it does come in the short version as well. So again, just for lounging around the house, or if you want to wear them out, you can get like double use out of them. So everything I'm showing you guys, I will list below with links in the description box, as well as what sizes that I got. The next bra I wanted to show you is the Naked Plunge Bra. So when I did the try on before I'm showing you all the items, this was the first time that I was trying this bra, and if I knew about this one while I was pregnant, I probably would have lived in this as well. It's so soft. The fabric feels like silk, no lie, and it's just so stretchy, but it also gives you the support at the same time. So this was the first time I was trying the Fits Everybody thong, and this was probably the comfiest thong that I've ever tried on in my life. It's super stretchy, which I love, but I feel like, you know, when I wear underwear, I like to have them like really high-waisted. It's just something that I've always done. But my biggest pet peeve is like when underwear is like loose on me. So these are like stretchy, comfortable, but then you just feel like secure at the same time. And a favorite of mine for a while now, I have like at least 10 or 15 pairs of these. If you guys follow me on TikTok, whenever I do like the Get Dressed With Me videos, I always show like the no-show underwear beforehand. But what I love about these is you do not see the lines. So these are probably my most worn out of everything here. So this next bra I love. It was my first time trying this style, and I feel like this is gonna be my new go-to bra to work out in. I always have trouble finding bras that like feel secure, but that aren't like uncomfortable, that aren't like cutting into my back. And this one I felt like very secure in, but it was also really soft. This is also in the Fits Everybody fabric. It's crazy how it could be so soft and flexible, but yet supportive at the same time. So go Skims. So next up in the rib fabric, I have these boy shorts and this tank top. I'm not even kidding when I tell you I have this tank top in every single color that it comes in. These were probably one of the first things that I bought. I wear these not just to bed, I wear them out. But these boy shorts I just absolutely love. I have them in a few colors as well. I think it's so cute to lounge around the house in. This next black t-shirt, I actually have two of these because one of them's in the wash and I want to wear it. It just bothers me, so I just picked up a second one. This, I love the fabric. I feel like it's almost like flexible shapewear as well. It feels like it's really like holding you in, which is nice. Next up I have this square neck bodysuit. This is in the Fits Everybody fabric. I, for a while, stayed away from bodysuits because they were just always really uncomfortable. Candy just opened the door here. I've stayed away from bodysuits for a long time because they were always like super uncomfortable for me. But when I tried these on, you don't even feel the bodysuit part, which is crazy. They have the snaps, which is super helpful for going to the bathroom. But again, they're just so flexible and really comfortable. And I always tuck my shirts in my jeans, so finding a bodysuit that was really comfortable was really exciting for me. So this was my first time trying it on, and I absolutely love it. Same thing with this cami bodysuit. Super comfortable. I feel like this is another style that I'm gonna get in a couple other colors when I go back on the website. That's what I do when I love something and it's comfortable. I just get it in multiple colors, so that way when it comes time to picking out an outfit, I don't have to like go crazy. I could be like, oh, I could just wear the outfit that I loved the other day, but in a different color. So the bodysuit that I'm wearing now, I absolutely love. This is the one that went viral all over TikTok. I actually saw my friend wear it first, but it just literally hugs in your waist so much. The jeans like baggy on you, so I'm sure you guys have seen this. I have it in black, I have it in hot pink as well. I really want the taupe color, but every time I've been checking, it's been sold out, so I'm gonna keep my eye out for that one. It's really cute to just wear as a bodysuit, or you can even layer it underneath a shirt, because the top, there is a bra with the same type of fit. So it has this fabric underneath your boobs, so it's like a bra and a bodysuit all in one. Also from the cotton jersey collection, I have this beautiful, is it called Mineral, I believe? Yes, t-shirt in Mineral. These I live in. I just love a good t-shirt, and I love a tight t-shirt. I feel like a good t-shirt is a staple in any wardrobe. So I feel like Skims is definitely known for their shapewear. I feel like when Kim announced Skims, it just made sense for her brand. Like, this was probably the most genius idea that she's come up with. I don't always wear shapewear. Sometimes for like formal things, I will pull them out, but I did grab one in my size because I did have these actually when I was pregnant. And then of course, post-pregnancy, I also lived in these as well because I just felt like it really like hugged me in. So again, right now, I don't grab them all the time. For special occasions I do, but during pregnancy and post-pregnancy, these were a game changer for me. And again, they're in that same really soft fabric, and they're not uncomfortable, which is super important because I've had other brands where they were just so tight and so uncomfortable. The seamless underwear in nude, I picked up another pair because why not? If there's any underwear that you guys need in your wardrobe, it's these, because there's nothing worse, as I mentioned prior, than seeing your lines through your clothes. This is probably the comfiest underwire bra I've ever tried. I love me a good push-up bra, but again, even though it has the underwire, it still has that same really soft fabric, and I was blown away at how comfortable this was. This is definitely gonna be my new go-to bra. So this bra is probably the one that I wear the most to sleep for some reason. This is the same type of top as this bodysuit. It has like this fabric on the bottom here, so it stays in place, which I really like as well. It's never gonna ride up. So the same bra I had in gray, I grabbed in the color Bone as well. And I got these high-waisted underwear that I've never tried before, but I love a good matching set, and these are so comfortable. These are what I would sleep in. Like, I love a nice full underwear to sleep in. So I also picked up a fresh tank in Bone and the boy shorts. I already had this set, but it was worn so many times, and I actually would wear these all the time when I was breastfeeding because they were like really easy to get on and off. And a little TMI, but a couple of my shirts like this have stains on them from leaking from breastfeeding, so I had to pick up a fresh one. Another cotton jersey in Bone. This I already have, but I bought a second one because same thing as the black. Just feel like you can never have too many good t-shirts. So again, super stretchy. Look at this. Like, if you need to put it over your head, you're not gonna have any issues. And last but not least, I have this ribbed bra. This gives really good support. I love how it fits, and I love that it has the clasp in the back. So that is everything that I picked up from this huge Skims haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment below and let me know if you guys want more of these. Thank you again to Skims for sponsoring today's video. What a blessing, one of my favorite websites of all time. Again, everything will be linked below, and I'll also put sizing for everything as well. I would say it's very true to size, but they do have the sizing charts on the website. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.